Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology, ranked among India's top 50 universities in the NIRF ranking for the fourth consecutive year. Admission in progress.
Hi, this is Aishwarya Menon. India Glitz ku neenga subscribe pannalana kandipa subscribe pannunga. You are missing out on a super cool channel. So like, share and subscribe to India Glitz.
So basically in the lockdown and quarantine nala ipo ellarume vandu samikka aarambichitaanga. Everybody is cooking and not just cooking, they're cooking and then they have to post it somehow, which makes others like feel like crap because we ain't doing things like that. We're just trying to manage and we're just trying to take one day at a time because first of all, being a mother of this very very naughty and super energetic kid just sucks the life out of me, honestly. So cooking, cleaning, washing vessels, washing clothes, running after Navya, giving her a bath, feeding her, which takes minimum 2 hours per meal. I'm just exhausted and I can't experiment these food. I just can't. So basically whatever vegetables I had, I boiled it. Like I put potatoes and broccoli and carrot and like whatever vegetables you have. Boiled it, then put salt and pepper in it, and then put some oats in it, and then I mixed it nicely, and there I'm frying it. And my daughter ate some 4-5 already, and I'm so happy. So basically what I'm trying to say is don't beat yourself up. Try whatever you can, even if it's whatever you can. Like whatever, there will be some leftovers, there will be just relax, okay? I know mentally we all are going crazy in this time, so whatever you can do, you're doing the best, and I know that. There's some days where I don't feel like cooking, but Navya has to eat, so I just make, rava sweet and give it to her, and she'll eat. So don't feel guilty. There's some days you'll feel like you give them sweets, and it's okay, she's gonna grow up fine. So basically, this video was for all the mothers like me who felt guilty in between that we are not doing enough. Please, mommies, we are doing more than enough. We're doing maximum, okay? So whatever you're cooking or however you're taking care of your daughter or your son, or letting them watch TV or letting them eat snacks once in a while or whatever it is, it's fine, okay? Just take care of yourself. Your mental health is very important, and just take care of yourself. Nobody's going to tell you that. So I'm here to tell all the mothers out there who are managing their children on their own, like I am currently, you're going to be okay, and whatever you do, it's okay. Okay? Also, quick note, how did our parents and aunties not learn to cook? There was no YouTube or that you could find on internet and learn to cook, right? Like sambar or whatever they would cook, it'd be freaking amazing. Now that is real talent, according to me.